stay in Kamakura, going a little further out to Enoshima Island. When you get off the train, just come straight down here. You're just following everybody towards the island. There's loads of nice little shops and little places to go for food, for snacks, for octopus crackers, for shaved ice. You can buy beach supplies. This is where the locals go to the beach. This is the main famous beach for Tokyo area, and it's also famous for surfing. And then once you get to the end of the street, you'll see the islands over here, and you just go under the subway to take the walkway there. And as you're heading up the hill through all the lovely little shops, check out this. There is a Hello Kitty cafe. All the food is kitty related. There's even an ice cream parlor outside with everything matcha Hello Kitty. It's got kitties on the pancakes, she's on the ice cream, she's outside here. You can take a photo with her. So we're gonna head up the mountain here. We are taking the escalator. You get your ticket right over here. It's 750 yen if you want to go all the way to the top, which is what we're going to do. We're going to get the lovely views and then also get you into the shrine as well. So when you get to the first shrine, here you'll see everybody cleaning money. So you clean your money and then you throw it in here. The money has to be clean before you throw it. And then if you can get it in here, it will bring you good luck for your money. Oh, no good luck. So what you can do here and in many shrines around Japan is people write these little love notes like this, and our good friend Mana, who lives in Tokyo, she has bought us one of these as our second wedding anniversary present because it's going to be our anniversary next week. So you write the name of you and your loved one on it, and then you tie it up here, and this brings you good luck for your love. Arigatou gozaimasu, Mana! Here it is, with everyone else's messages. It will be here now forever. This is the view from the first viewpoint. You get a gorgeous view of the beach, all the surfers out there, and the marina area too. After the second escalator, you come up here and we've got another shrine. And up after the third escalator, this is where you come to. You've got the viewing point, the sea candle. We're going to go up and get a great view. There's lots of places to get snacks, ice creams, coffees, cold drinks. We are at the top of the sea candle and you get an incredible view. So Enoshima, this area is like a seaside town. This is a beach area where lots of people come to relax. You can see everyone's on the beach over here. A lot of people swimming and a lot of people surfing. Even though a tsunami is coming, they're very brave. And you can see the harbor area. Down below us is the Samuel Cooking Garden that we just passed. And there's the Chinese pagoda. These incredible birds. Hawks by the looks of it. And you can see the other side, there's the East Beach, the West Beach. All the way along the coast. And also there's a small historical exhibition on Enoshima, the area, with the original light from the original lighthouse. Some photos and drawings of the area. And this was the sea candle before the modern one here. You can see them together. Now something you should try when you're on Enoshima is takosenmi, which is octopus crackers. So this is the place to go, Mana has told us. So we're going here, you go to the machine, you pick which one you want, it's pictures, so it's easy to understand. Put your money in, press the button, and then you come over here and you get your octopus. This is what it looks like, the octopus, a real octopus. Real taco. Arigatou gozaimasu. And so it's just literally freshly made. The octopus is right in here. You can see it squashed in the cracker. Fresh as fresh can be. There you go. You want to taste it? What do you think of your taco senmi? We're in the Hase area. We're going to the Daibutsu Temple. This is where we just had lunch. This little tiny cute place. We were so hungry and so hot that I forgot to film it. Oops, which is not like me. But this is what we had. Shirasu, tiny little fish. And we had them boiled and raw and little dried ones in the cup. This is what Mana and Nick had with the fishes. and a little side plate with the vegetables and the miso soup. And I had one of these local beef curry with a mild curry flavor. Very tasty. Okay, our next stop in Kamakura is here. We're going to see the Daibutsu Buddha. As you come inside, this is right in front of you. This is it. It's absolutely beautiful. It's only 200 yen to come in. You cleanse yourself by washing your hands and your mouth like every other temple. And you come inside and it is absolutely gorgeous. You can go inside the Buddha at the back if you want to see inside it. The temples all around. There are also small stalls where you can buy charms that help for health, for love, for calamity. It got me one of those last time. Different things like that, and it's really, really lovely. And as you walk around, watch out for this. It's the shoe. What a shoe. And so if you want, you can actually even go inside the Buddha. You just get your ticket right over here. It costs 20 yen cents, which is about 20 cents. We're inside the Daibutsu Buddha. You can see it goes all the way up to his head, right at the top here. All the body, there's some air vent here. It's very, very hot in here. And there's some information showing the construction techniques of how it was made. And when you get to the street Hasedera, you just turn up here and that takes you down to the Hasedera Temple at the end. We're now at the Hasedera Temple, so you get your ticket on the way in. It's 400 yen, so it's very good. You come on in, and as you come in, you cleanse yourself before entry. There's a map on the wall here saying where you are and where everything is, how to get to it. And my favorite thing about the Hasedera Temple is they have these very cute Buddhas, kawaii. They're not, that's of course not their purpose, but they are very sweet, and you'll see them all around the temple, and as soon as you come in, you see fresh fruit. And on the second level up, you will find this. At the back you can make offerings, and there are hundreds and hundreds of beautiful Buddhas all the way around. So here, when people leave their wishes, messages for loved ones, they do it on oyster shells. It's just about to see. So inside the Cannon Temple, next to that we've got the Cannon Museum. You can go inside. I'm not allowed to take pictures. This is what it looks like. Have many Buddha statues inside. 300 yen to go inside and to see some of the extra special treasures of Hasedera. I get a beautiful view of the bay. So this is the Rinso, and inside in the middle there's an octagonal book stack, and if you turn it around you earn the same merit as reading all of the sutras, and you can turn that on the 18th of each month only. The cylindrical objects are called maniguruma, and sutras are kept inside them, and if you turn them you earn the same merit as from reading all the sutras. So you have to turn it in the correct direction. So this is the Benten Hall and Benten Kutsu Cave. Make sure to check this out before you go. It's a little bit tucked away. It's a beautiful cave where there are Buddha statues carved into the cave. So we're going to have something which is a Japanese classic. This is the Japanese version of shaved ice. And we're going to share this very large, very yummy looking matcha one. And Nana has plum flavor one, which when you put the syrup on it changes color.